Well, this is Rick from Living Coast to Coast, and today we're going to talk to you about our RV lock. So we installed these locks 3 years ago. This was on the front door. About 6 months ago we switched it to the back, so it made it about 2.5 years. Took just a few months to get tore up like that. The other one was on the back door. Like I said, we moved it to the front. So figure on doing this every couple of years of full-time use anyway. I haven't seen any YouTube videos on how to replace them. I'm assuming it's going to be fairly simple. So we'll figure it out. So, oh my gosh, y'all. This is so super simple. You just gotta find the edge, peel it off, scrape the glue off, any glue residue. If you got goof off or something like that, to get that glue residue off. And you just stick the new one back in, line it up, put it on. It was so hard. It took me like 32 seconds to do the other one. And now I'm doing this one. I ordered 2 of them. They were like, I think $11.48. So basically 12 bucks a piece. Took 4 or 5 days to get here. Just lining up both sides on the left. Putting it down on. So this, what they call a membrane, is not really a membrane because it's, or at least not a watertight membrane. The watertight plastic covers is behind there. So that's all there is to it, y'all. What, 30 seconds a piece, maybe a minute? Minute and a half tops, taking off all the glue. So, yes, you can do it. Bye, y'all.